The Logos-Centred Epistemology, Volume 2, by S C SAYLES. This second volume unfolds as a sustained exploration of the soul's disordered state, its restoration through reorientation to the Logos, and its final consummation in union beyond the veil of flesh. It is not merely a theological treatise, but a metaphysical anthropology in which ontology, epistemology, and soteriology converge around the person and work of the eternal Logos. The structure builds with Wittgenstein-like precision from the foundational assertion that disorder arises from misalignment with the Logos, to the eschatological consummation where the soul becomes what it beholds. Volume 2 traces the soul's movement from disorder to union with the Logos, showing that all spiritual, moral, and intellectual healing depends on reorientation to the eternal Word. 1. Disorder of the soul. The soul's axis is its orientation to the Logos. Misalignment is not ignorance but an ontological rupture fracturing reason, will, and affections. The field of creation, once a transparent medium of divine self-disclosure, becomes opaque. Reality is received as noise, not revelation. Alienation produces confusion in thought, division within selfhood, and rupture in relationships. The biblical reality of sin as metaphysical dislocation. 2. The veil and restless idolatry. Sin veils the informational field, creating systematic blindness. Estranged souls attempt to construct false systems of meaning, philosophical, religious, political, that promise coherence but collapse into contradiction. These are idols of the autonomous mind, unable to satisfy the heart's infinite longing for God. 3. Restoration through reorientation. Renewal begins when the soul recognizes its disorder and submits to the Logos. The Logos is both the source of being and the light of perception, transfiguring even the soul's history of disorder. Restoration is gradual, relearning to see, desire, and will in alignment with truth. Freedom is found not in autonomy but in communion with the eternal measure. 4. The incarnation. The Logos enters history without ceasing to be eternal, fulfilling the field's purpose by opening it from within. Truth, beauty, and goodness are embodied in Christ. The field becomes sacramental, its forms now transparent to divine meaning. Redemption is enacted in time and flesh, awakening the soul to its true origin and destiny. 5. Life in alignment. The redeemed soul perceives reality as a coherent whole and becomes a vessel of light, participating in the restoration of creation. Alignment reorders relationships, communities, and the created order. Suffering gains meaning, chaos gains form, and history is seen as moving toward consummation. 6. Becoming what one beholds. The final transformation is purification, where all untruth is surrendered and the soul embodies the reality it beholds in the Logos. Philosophy yields to wisdom, speculation to participation. Beyond the veil of flesh lies eternal communion, light, life, and union. Summary. Volume 2 integrates ontology, epistemology, and soteriology in a single movement. Disorder is rupture from the Logos, restoration is reorientation to him, consummation is union with him. The arc is eschatological, anticipating the final unveiling where the field is perfectly transparent and all creation is harmonized in the light of the Lamb.